Using warranties to their fullest potential means taking your goods outside the first sale doctrine, which means you have a legitimate basis to remove unauthorized sellers. And number two, using that same warranty mechanism to develop more brand loyalty, to develop more repeat consumers. So let's talk about why you want to take your product outside the first sale doctrine and how you can use your warranty to do that. Taking a product outside the first sale doctrine means adding something to your product, in this case through your warranty, that an unauthorized seller cannot deliver. Wusthof Cutlery has a remarkable warranty that nobody else can deliver. They may be able to get genuine Wusthof knives and resell them, but they can't deliver on Wustof's warranty. The reason why Wustof's warranty is so great, it provides incredible brand protection against unauthorized sellers on Amazon, is that the warranty says if something goes wrong with the knife, the consumer returns that knife to Wusthof, who then sends it back to the original factory in Germany to have it retooled. No third-party seller can deliver on that warranty, and therefore the product is outside the first sale doctrine. There are many things that you can add to your warranty that can accomplish the same goal that Wusthof has accomplished. You can add things like repair at the original factory, just like Wusthof. You can also add that certain products will be returned to factory specifications. You can add to your warranty that you will participate in government recalls, which third-party unauthorized sellers will never know about. And if you look at your products, there are always product-specific things that you can add to your warranty that unauthorized sellers can simply not deliver. This is a tremendously effective way of protecting your sales on Amazon.com because Amazon focuses on the consumer. And if Amazon's consumers are not receiving all of the same benefits of your warranty from an unauthorized seller that they would from you and your authorized sellers, Amazon will remove those products from that seller. Amazon will stop those sellers from delivering products where the consumer is not getting the same thing that you and your authorized sellers deliver. Using warranties to grow repeat consumers and further develop your brand. Your warranty should absolutely include a registration process where you capture that consumer's email address to keep them updated on future products and also future development of your brand. You want to use those email addresses to continue your brand story and to stay in touch. You can also use your warranty to collect cell phone numbers. Text message marketing is the wave of the future. Unlike email, text messages have an almost 100% open rate. And if you include something in your warranty that requires the consumer to provide their cell phone number, you can compile that information just like you have been doing with email addresses for decades now. And you save that, and that data is incredibly powerful. If you want to learn more about what you can specifically build into your warranty, specifically for your product, contact us. In advance of our meeting, we will evaluate your brand, identify the unauthorized sellers, and also identify for you things you can add to your warranty right now that will help protect your brand from unauthorized sellers.